Hey, just showing my lawnmower. Just got a hood, just made a hood today. Got a bumper, it's frame and all that. And just 18 horse Craftsman. If you pull this back, it will rev it up a lot. Just pull off the hood, like you could pull it off. Just one sec. So there's the engine. When you pull it back, it goes to that little switch right here, and that would make it rev up super high, and then it'll go faster. Yeah, has a lot of stuff. It's an old one, still runs good. John Deere tire, popped it, popped the other one. Yep. Have a little cup holder I made, just some like piping or whatever, painted. Craftsman. It's a 5-speed. Yeah. Everything's nice on it. Diamond plate fenders. About 3.5 gallon tank. Awesome on gas. I could pull a big hay wagon with it. Good tires. Got tires up there. Yep. It's a good one. It's super good. And yeah. It's nice. Yep. Just wondering. The thing back here is, you see that thing right there, that spinny thing? I want to switch that with a 2-inch. That's like a 7 or 9-inch, and it makes it slower. If I switch it to a 2-inch, it will go fast. And then this one right here, that one, if I raise the engine, this will go, that one will go up. Then I can put that, and then the bigger one there would make it faster with the small one over there. Well, with the big one over there. Yep. A lot of work. Yep. So that's where it empties gas if you tip it. Alright, comment below. Comment what you think it would be worth. Alright, comment below.